Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you important news from South Sudan, news that affect life, peace, and the future of the country. This program is not about hate, it is not about taking side, it is about fact, humanity, and the suffering of ordinary people. Today we will talk about rising tension and possible fighting in Yuai, Jonglei state, a major SPLM political meeting in Juba, a strong word from civil society leader Edmund Yakani, thousands of passport and national card left uncollected, and a powerful message to journalists from Dr. Lama Cole. Before we proceed with this latest update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with fear and tension in Yuai in Jonglei state. Let us begin in Yuai town located in Urur County. Right now fear is everywhere. Local leaders say South Sudan People Defense Force soldiers are gathering in Duke County near Yuai. People believe these forces may be preparing to attack SPLA-IO position in Yuai. Yuai town fell to SPLA-IO forces on January 2nd, 2026 after heavy fighting. When the fighting started, civilians ran for their life. Today, Yuai is empty. No women, no children, no elders, only guns. The information director of Urur County, Mr. Majukshop, said the situation is very serious. He explained that more SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force soldiers, have arrived in Pajut, increasing fear of another battle. Even though airstrikes have stopped for now, the danger is still there. People are hiding in nearby villages, Panyok, Kwat, Pamai, Wake, Juet, Wanlis, Pabong, and Pakui. These civilians have no protection, little food, and no medicine. Children are sleeping hungry, mothers are afraid, elders are confused. Yuai has become a ghost town. On the other side, the commissioner of Duke County, Jonglei, said his area is calm. He said SSPDF soldiers are now providing security, but he also admitted a big problem. More than 10,000 displaced people are hungry, so even where there is no fighting, suffering continues. Before we move on to next report, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. SPLA-IO speak, civilians remain afraid. Meanwhile, the SPLA-IO leadership say they are in control of Urur and Ural counties. Major General John Lul Bayak, the SPLA-IO commander in Jonglei state, spoke from Yuai. He said their forces will not harm civilians. He promised that civilians are safe, but many people still remember 2013. They remember killing, destruction, and trauma. Promises are easy. Trust is hard. General Luke also denied a report that SPLA-IO ordered the seizure of NGO vehicles. He said his signature was forged. He claimed that SPLA-IO has always protected aid workers and even helped prisoners of war. But the truth remains. Violence is rising in northern Jonglei. Wat and Yuai have already changed and civilians are paying the price. Let's move on. SPLM meeting and the political future of South Sudan. The ruling party, SPLM, is preparing for a joint caucus meeting on January 12, 2026. Top leaders, lawmakers, advisors, and party officials will attend. However, the party has not told the public that or what the meeting is all about. Many believe it is connected to the 2026 general election. Last month, The presidency approved change to the 2018 peace agreement. These changes remove the link between election and the permanent constitution, remove the population census requirement, reduce the power of peace agreement over the constitution. However, here is the problem. Parliament has not approved these changes. RJ Mac has not approved them. Some political groups were not consulted. Supporter of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar say the process was unfair and one-sided. Elections are planned for December 2026. However, many fear the country is not ready. Without peace, trust, and reform, election may bring more conflict, not stability. Let's move on. You give people gun, not service. Yakani speak. One of the strongest voices this week came from Edmund Yakani, a civil society leader. Yakani spoke during the memorial service of journalist Emmanuel Joseph Akile, who died on December 30, 2025. Yakani did not hide his plan. Yakani said leaders are failing the people. His words were simple but powerful. You give people guns instead of services. He blamed greed for power, weak leadership, and poor governance. Yakani say civilians are dying not only from bullet but from hunger, sickness, and neglect. He spoke about the broken health system. He say if Akile were the son of a politician, he would have been flown abroad for treatment, but ordinary citizens die silently. Yakani called Akile a brave journalist who spoke truth. He say Akile death should wake up the nation. Let's move on. Thousands of passports left uncollected in Juba. Another issue affecting ordinary people is documentation. According to the report, Immigration Office or the Immigration Director, Major General Elia Costa revealed shocking information. According to him, he said more than 3,000 passports and nationality cards are lying uncollected in Juba. Some have even expired before being collected. Many people complain of delay, but officials say your document may already be ready. The problem includes poor communication, lack of follow-up, shortage of booklets. General Costa urged citizens to check their status regularly. This issue shows how small problems become big when systems do not work properly. Let's move on. Dr. Lama called message to journalists. Please, before we proceed with this report, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Finally, veteran politician Dr. Lama Cole spoke strongly to journalists. Lama Cole say journalism must be professional and fearless. He wanted journalists not to give politicians free platform. He say journalist who does not ask follow-up question is not a journalist. Dr. Lam criticized journalists who allow politicians to contradict themselves without challenge. He made this remark while honoring the late Emmanuel Akile. In his message was very clear. Journalism must protect truth. Journalism must protect the people. Well, in conclusion, what do these stories tell us? They tell us that war is still close. Politics is still divided. Services are still weak. Civilians are still suffering, but they also tell us something else. People are speaking up. Journalists are remembered. Civil society is resisting silent. South Sudan stands at a crossroad right now. The question is simple. Will leaders choose peace over power? Will they choose people over politics? This is Changfied YouTube channel. We stand for truth. We stand for humanity. If you found this program meaningful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Biya kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. ban rwandi kon lat karodian ban ka linkel in kona to ka je report me mi jira mi jidit gore jeno jin deri channel deri je support deri subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel the notification bell deri je twan ka deri je share ko running content ba lat gwata me bikan chamala shukje ban right ke report ni am andana chano very important message me bialing message me men bialing wa dor shal ko mo yuai ka Jonglei state laje dia marke ku me SSPD ba jenda an bana link yuai ka gwase paiwa chaje ke ku me SPLIO yuai te ko rur county ka Jonglei state antam right kone la dwal ja gone diare wike South Sudan ke kur dan le rode nere kon la kwar are wichin winami chikala do nene SSPD South Sudan People Defense Force they ni kena watch are really kachu and gather dor shall ke du county ti ken kai guy netu wan ngas ken no bu ku me SSPD bika GSPLIO bikan ka make bikan ga kapkor wada dan GSPLIO tente kai guy kajeri podana chano yuai chaje ke already no wal SPLIO ka changara ka pai keron kindaro jandang net bakel gwade je community to kam SSPD kana kuma SPLIO gwade ni SSPD to ajo kandial are kurmo to SSPD to ajo rar an wale yuai tel ram ditin tel shek tel gat tel ni didit tin de ni tin karodi ne ta match kajo chalat gwasa me Ramadan la information director Kurur County wudu chala ma joke shop chala do ne ke chara ke query ke manan to ka situation down le road the situation is very serious ala kore jeni jatan chala do ne SSPD ap chara realika chiga chop dor shal ka pajut ka chiga chop ko biga korbi kana betera ajene chi fear sharem road ke dual ke ta dana dong be korburum gaja ajene shanga me chi helicopter ke gunship dana chi bok ke mi chi bok kan la pele ko gunship cha dual ko yes pela yo tikan ngameti kana cabin ka wat kana yuai mi chi renyal wewe la ja bok chi me cho bok pan ka je twaje jojo ka de di long a chaje de nak na mo kan goro ba nyoko tok ajen do dana chi renyal cho da kap chonga je ka jom chalat gwas me jen nas ke tai dan chi renyal che bok je china chi ka dual ne ko la ji wo chi ka de ne de ji kan dual so on menji to gene jenna chari nu to dor ten kon tiak chit ka panyok chit ka kwat chit ka pa mai chit ka wek chit ka jet chit ka one list chit ka pa bong chit ka pa kui ne ji charen baran kwi to ken ne de ti te rien to ken ka civilian teram ganke ya ka ganke ken betel ka kwen tele ka wal no alo mo ko mu we wonyam na bu chu je long wane de kono bichu je long bakine right now teme ne de kono chuka gat kana mane gan ke ni dit ko kur che tin kine dial chitin ne chitin de tin karo de no wena mone so mnyodo an yuai town bala gwa kure we lo le ko no kuma SPLIO ke le ko na SSPD lo bu kurburum ka kor gwatan be ko teme chi de ke le cho wen wini mi ka pajut ko bikan SPLIO bikana mak so na me le harode SSPD de niken ka jo tikan lat gwasme wa doro mo eken ku kan security ku kan provide jo me chalat gwasme commissioner dung county wudu shal ke Jonglei ramkel mala commissioner jara don go de ni SSPD ap kan de kon ku kala gang wal dan tikitin ke du county binami before kan ku me SPLIO kan kana mak jala de wona ne rewedian chineri job 10,000 people chawa displaced a koran chitwok lo na chinarin bar ka 10,000 people wa ku kan ku kan gorlong nyono nene mo ko wo to be je long kan chang me kan kor kan to ka ta wa na chuken a chu na long ka tel kwan kan ti diala kon de cham ana me mi shoro lahat wana ka ler do dien SPLIO chika rach en go nene akani chicken ne to kon tila jiwich chicken ka target SPLIO leadership you can la jojo no chicken wuro chicken control kan in rural counties Major General John Luke by yak general SPLM IO commander and would me a general commander General John Luke Major General John Luke General and one doroshal ke yuai ajena force da chicken civilian chicken bu target chicken ren jaje no termlari chine force chine na ne content la civilian ne bu target kora nyine ne ke military korare duna military operation tera mem lagad mem mo be ne maki be ne na ki cheki enran en civil ram mo mitel maj mem mo shadich tene korkaja ajene chine mishi ke meda ne shalat ke 2013 rewi ki juba akum kirim yadi tine blat lada ajene binyi ne ke dech kana mto bon wo bene na bene ga target che promise no tele mu goro ba na ba ga target je general look bo je nyora je no ne ajene che report na shala no chi kuma swila yo chikan NGOs vehicle ke torbiele NGOs chi kana kabakan chi kala do ne me akaj kana sha signature in charge of foot ke charge of copy radien chi kana lele lo yi ke jas swila yo tanya mone kana tele ne ti cha torbiele ken cha ke bla ji NGOs amena na chala da kana kai kelio chi ke jo mo ji kana lat kana kuma swila mayo bikan its workers bikan kagang ka bikan diala kontin cha kep chene ko na kep gwakur kana taram na kana prisoner of war kan dial baga dil nang gon tin kon be kiten ram cha kep cha nak ajarul dana tika ke kan yes fila yo cha jo mo cha jo ko ne kan ban ngai kon dan le rore en wo kur ja tin la tok so re kur mo bidu man buga betin mat wana ka report do dien kuma spele mayo chan mro ke kuma spele Kenya kuma spele shiga tike meeting ke chiga tega dol rai wiki juba a political meeting na me kan chiga nyure wiki juba kan nyur kan ka ku inquiry me chala do balat ke 2026 me chiga nyur kan batikala do ne bikan te ka mi chala join caucus meeting ka jen changa wara ka paikel ronkin dano jandang red bakel muloni jelat kan bi ka nyur top leaders ka SPLM lawmakers advisors can a part official can dial wa bi nyur ke jelat but do ban nyur kana kan kon la nanu ngum mi ba dol mo ba jedul ke je but ko ke je ne ti ngwan wo ndol mo mi kana announce donc bala ku inquiry la general election 2026 general election balat don yen bo ra ke kwidemo kana ngai ko kor pade paiwa ano ci kir anona te ga dum wani cha approve some changes ka ku 2018 peace agreement te change ke te gar manyam chala do ne na ba ku inquire ba jelat ke jeron kin dang janang road bakel ka jen ku mo che permanent constitution chala do cha je bulat permanent constitution cha bitu kala bongone cha je bulat do ban cha bulat ke jen ke jena jen ba jo lat cha ku inquire cha jelat after election ba permanent constitution ba jo tu na mokel chi president Salva Kiir yadit che population census bo che je remove population census a pin na konan kwenke ko la na la ka kwenke mi jana kwen na ko okay election a jeni cha bulat ba jeni ba yun 2010 data te ko ne cha collect me la independent na me kel mi bejbo jentel population census me balat amara dien bonu comment chalat che some power ka peace agreement cha yot pinbo che ka kan yin constitution kon latke che kir cha watch so read jene gwasmeni kan konen cha watch Salva Kiir yadi la president kan ka approved la parliament kan konen la ko la members of parliament kan ka approved kan all these changes which ala do ba watch ku inquiry kan parliament kan ka approved anyok reconstituted joint monitoring ki arjima kan ka approve bane kan e tigane ko ko mal ko ajam montor ko South Sudan kan approve request dana chalat president Salva Kiir yadi de no ba dialti ba capture men job chala do ne te kan ne te kan let chitka first by president a lot support Dr. Machar chaga gagrar chikala do ne me chi tele per unfair ke one sided michama pinya kenene kuma Kiir yadi de kana cha GSP la yo chaga banjor michagu jeno na me chi chwa kuma gore jeno betin kon gorga de mal no bega dil nok micha first by president Dr. Machar micha ya gagrar no de jeno en ko inquire no mo chi fair ngai kon diale queen kware cha yot ke December 2026 chir ngai kona ano ba lat ke jan pai wero ron kin dang yen dang bakel but na dol na long ko mu te cha la da gwa bu kur be South Sudan be jar chir ngai kon already ano kur jaten so kur mo be South Sudan be jar mu te chi president self ke me yadit che gujino be jar yale ka mi che tin kon nje jo tin cha wo mi che gor ber yale ka ke che doctor ma cha che jelun be participate ka queen kwar nyod jeno biriek mo budete wana kala do dien akan kon nyami jira mi jidit ka Changfied YouTube channel please gorno jin be subscribe mi kan subscribe be comment ka bicha lar dien gwasame jo mi chala da en mun yakane activist ne kon la roch ka ki wich mi te gare mu la rode en mun yakane jena core civil organization jene leader akwar de ko lar no gente ga jo mi bumbum chalat gwabe traw ko wude chal ke journalist Emmanuel Joseph Akile jen wude me ramula journalist ka kene kontin la roi la ka tubre wi ke South Sudan jen ci yede jen ke jen changa jen jokka pai wero ron ki daro jen dang ro dit cha to gwabe mo ko jen chang man yakani kana ro to ko jo dana chalat kana dual cherach boldly de lar no achela do nene ajana kwar chika fail chika boy chika nywan ko bikan mal bikan no ke bigana bikan kaga ka jom chala gwasame mi bum ke powerful chala do nene ajana kwar moy kenete nat ka match tele service mu gwam top kana mi jira mu guru maj ba kame mi jira mu gola chaji moy kalat so tin kone na bil kwidien kan ti tin ja kwarso Sudan ti bil ke especially first by president ni dialan kone nen wanamo ano ken cha me numu we ne president self kem yadit chicken men ne dar ke power lo la chal ke greed for power you know anyok ajana me a weak leadership a nyon kwari ka jeni a poor governance allow tel ruin mu gwamaten wanamo ya kana chala do nene ajene instead of don't en jangno bna liudi en jangno de mal derben antam raina chela ro nene ngai kon panyen o liuna kamaj but men dir nang na antama chala bot kana joy kana ta dana chana cha per ge wi ka South Sudan chela ro nene men yer kume South Sudan ke nang na ajene broken health system yentel de lwal to go chela ro ne ba ni ra mu gudu chalka kile journalist chili o jenen donc che kan tam dung me ram mo la gat politician tin kontre yu ka South Sudan tin cham ko wich jen che chaje nang wirar che ke che jan che chaje nang ka brut ano mi cha ngaje no jen ram de kan but ko jen tele ram mo tele wat ke tele ram mo la politician mo don de jenang ke che gat politician jen je liu ko jemo che wel system ajen wudo me dar tigre dar je kan but wujo mo chala wujo je yakani chala do nene akile jen brave journalist michir rwany ngwan chakala luga kwiso Sudan aki midna ka rwany wana ka lerdo dien yala de wore wiki Juba take a passport shop ke kizne ta kana nga jiken na me wa issue ke rek michine de ngwan chika fake de wiki Sudan ka kwi documentation aji immigration office ke immigration director major general Elia Costa jen chala do ne take micho nyot ajeni take a passport shop ke kinne dang doc 3000 passport kana nationality card tienta mata kan kollega jiken kan ga konna jiken but kare wiki Juba ke immigration office ajana tanin kan passport ti chika expired ajana shiga jiya ko kan shiga tigarun pin ke shiga taka pat ajana ne ngwan la rana we be passport be gor an gwa mi jin lo jo ba jo no ngod chengda ajana man che blame lon ko blame poor communication can lack of follow up jene china chicken yikeno gu ano can shortage of booklet but me tin jene ne ngai kon diala mi wi passport we gor ba je go no ngode jilu jo ba je no ngode then after that we should bet ko don bala lare ke ba je go no ba ji inform but after that charge be informed so mi chena mo mi le roda so right now chikala no passport kindang jok ka wona mo amira kan passport kana jek ke tin kon je gor ke immigration office ader we ke Juba der ke jek report dien jene Dr. Lama call che message je tup ke kwi journalist ano journalist ni chicken de guru politician ni bikan kai ni bikan kalat ko lokano bikan kie bikan lokano bikan tok bikan alat chela do ne Dr. Lama call chela do journalism bala professional bala ram mo chidwal ano bu tok bu jalat ko dong bo la na kach mu dong che janda na gor ke deling chela do ne chwa guru politician ni ke bala bialan mandana chikan la laken mi politician mi mo min len mi chiro de lut la de je George chwa je to ke chwa je hai je jo mo che la de nona jugne dialan wone ne mi jin journalist ke la de right gor you know be la de lor abali ngane dial tel mo to ro ko ka to ka dit kon lat ko rodien che jo mo che la de nona ano rambi journalist to to be je dilat ke bana ba ga miet ka rwain kon gor ga liengen ko dong bi dwal ka politician ke chi bulat so jo me janana gore de nya kon kel mi jira mi jidit gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel gor jeno jin bi channel bi support bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mi te mi ci bare be chamala shi bugaji ani biya ta gamal bye bye